Let's examine another way you can differentiate with Get More Math. Students may need to belong to more than one math class. The first step in the process is to create a class where you would like the student to be added to. In this example, I have created a Period 1 lab class. I want to select that class, and in the second column, I'm going to select Roster. Here, I want to add a student, so I'm going to manually search for that student. Typing in that student's name, the program will look for him. Once I have located the student, I simply click Add, and now that student has been added to my Period 1 lab. The student now belongs to two classes, Period 1 and Period 1 lab. Let's take a look at the data that is shared from one class to the other. If I select Student Data and click on the student's name, I am able to see this student already has data. Let's close the top two rows and the two columns to the left. Here you can see skills have already been added to the first period lab. My student has color, accuracy, attempts, last 5, and last correct data on each of these skills. That is shared data, meaning if the student has practiced that skill in another class, that data is pulled to all of the classes the student may belong to. Taking a look at the student screen, when the student logs in, they will be placed in the main class first period. From their menu bars, they now have an option that says Switch Class. When they select this, they are able to switch to the first period lab class. As you can see, there are skills that are not just red, but there are yellow, silver, and gold skills, indicating the student has worked on these skills in another class. That is shared data. Here's a helpful teacher tip. If you go to the menu bars and select Settings, students are able to change the color of their top bar, which will help you out to determine what class they are in. Data that is not shared is points that have been earned. These can be found in assignments, exams, or on points history. So, points that have been earned in one class will not appear in any other class the student belongs to. So, for differentiation, you can easily have a student work in 2 or more classes using the same username and password.